Hello and welcome back to Here We Tow. Today I'm at the Motorhome and Caravan Show 2023 and I'm on the Auto Trail stand. Auto Trail motorhomes I've not particularly had a great deal of sort of contact with or a look at, but I'm on their stand because I did mention in my show vlog that they have a new motorhome, the Excel. So I'm going to show us around the Excel models that are here at the show so we can get a better idea of what they are and what they're offering, and most importantly, how much are they? So Auto Trail is a UK manufacturer. They're based up in the north of England and they specialise in motorhomes and van conversions. They're normally quite well priced, so it might be something to consider. So let's make a start. I have not seen these before, so you and I are having a first look. All the facts and figures will be on the link to their website in the description below. Right, let's get cracked on. So what do we need to know? So the Excel, will start with the 675B. So this is based on the Ford cab and chassis. So we can see here, this one has the silver cab. We've got those Ford LED lights, and as I say, this is all new for 2024. Because this is basically a compact motorhome, we'll see first of all that the wing mirrors here do not have that full extension. So this motorhome is going to be about 2.1 metres in width. You can see as well here on the coach built sides that they don't protrude much from the passenger door, just there. So this is going to be quite an agile motorhome within that sort of compact class. So if you're looking at something on those lines, this could be one to consider. As we move down the near side, we've got that two-lay wind out canopy on the Excel, and the decals are almost a gold colour on the white. We've got the habitation door on the near side because it's a UK manufacturer. We've got these nice, like these black Ford wheels. Let's just have a look at those. They're nice. We are getting a whale barbecue point just there. This looks like the bathroom at the back on this model on the 675 because we've got a cassette point there, a window there. We've got a garage here. Let's have a look in. So the garage, this is quite a good size, although to be fair it is quite a narrow opening, but within there we have got plenty of room. I'll come round the back of the Excel. You can see there it says Auto Trail. We've got a reversing camera. We've got these round lights. They're quite retro looking. I like those actually. We've got decals to the rear, and on the offside we're going to find our other service points that I can't unfortunately get to at the moment. We've also got a bike rack installation from Thule. Right, let's head in and see what we're getting. So this model displayed, let's just look at the price. This is just under £70,000. Let's round up. That is not bad. That is competitive. Compared to what I've sort of looked at this week, that's a competitive price. On the road they actually start at 63,380. So this model is 675, 2 berth, 4 seat belts, 6.75 metres long. It's actually 2.2 metres wide, so I wasn't far off. 170 brake horsepower. It's got a gross vehicle weight of 3.5 tonnes, so you can drive this on your standard B car licence. It has a freshwater capacity of 70 litres and waste it's 80. So let's venture in. So I didn't see an electric step, but it could have been hidden, but I didn't see one. This is really nice. So we've got this really nice open plan cab on the Ford. This has got manual transmission. We've got these Auto Trail seats with Auto Trail embossed on them. They both swivel round. Then we've got a huge lounge area. I do like this because what you're going to sacrifice here is a bed. So your bed is going to convert from this huge lounge area. So with this being 2 berth, we've got, if I just sweep up, huge sunroof, but no drop down bed, but huge sunroof, some storage, and then this massive lounge area. So this will convert, as I say. We've got pleated blinds. Let's have a look down the motorhome from this side. We can see we've got the kitchen on the off side and we've got our services on the near side. We've got the Avtex telly already in place there. Whether that comes as standard, I don't know. We've got our controls above the door for our heating and hot water. And as I say, the kitchen here on the off side. So we've got a sink, plenty of worktop space, a nice black tap. We've got storage underneath, the Thetford oven and grill. It is just 3 gas burners on there, so no electric. I'll see if I can find the catch to open this. Yes, there we go. So we've got a storage cupboard. And then onto the offside, if I swivel back, we've got a huge tower fridge freezer from Thetford. 100, this is about 140, I think it's about 149 litres gross volume. Absolutely huge. So we can see all the space there. It does have a freezer compartment at the top, so that is massive. And then we come back into the bathroom. So we've got a Thetford swivel toilet, we've got our sink, some storage, a mirror, a glazed window, and behind the door, a very good sized shower cubicle. So let me just pan us up there so we can see that. Big shower cubicle. And we also have some storage back here, loads of storage. You're going to be able to get into the garage here as well. Wow, look at this. So a massive, just open all this up to show us. Got a light in there, massive amount of storage. This one underneath, that's going to access that garage that we saw. And then we've got a bit more storage just there. Right, oh, I'll just let you have a quick look from the bathroom in. So this one, under 7 metres long, 2 berth, no fixed bed, but a huge lounge. Right, I'm going to power on because I've got a couple more obviously for us to look at. So let's get cracked on. I think there's another one round this side. So let's go have a look at this one. This one looks like it's got a much bigger garage and probably has a, we'll see when we go in, I won't guess. Right, so here we go. This is now the XL 620G. So again, we've got now a blue cab, so we can obviously have a choice of colours on this. So this is a nice metallic blue on the paint. We'll come down the near side. So again, we've got the same services, got the same decals, we've got our gas locker there on this near side, and we've got access into the garage as well. This is a slightly different garage layout. It's a little bit wider over on that off side. This one has got a bike rack fitted for display. So this one again, £70,000. This is a 3-berth model and it's 6.2 metres long. So this is much shorter, 6.2. Let's go have a look. So as we enter in here, oh, this is a different, we have got a fixed bed. So in the front of the cab, we've got our 2 captain's chairs swiveled round. We've got here a dinette area. We can see there the seating area and a table. We've got the kitchen on the near side. We've got a nice flap here for extra worktop space. 3 drawers, the sink, gas burners, the Thetford oven and grill again. That's a dual combination one, as you can see there. So it's oven and grill. And then we've got the big tower fridge freezer just here on the near side. And as you can all see, we've got a bed at the back. The storage underneath, that's going to open into the garage. Then we've got this fixed bed. I don't know the sizes. I mean, imagine it's going to be just short of 2.2 metres in actual width across here, because that's the length of the motorhome. So it's a big bed. So if you are tall, at the top here we can see USB chargers, lights, some storage cupboards. There's the ladder for climbing onto it. And I'll just move back and open this door into the all-in-one bathroom and shower room. So in here we've got our Thetford swivel toilet. We've got a window which is glazed, this huge mirror, and then there's a shower curtain. And if you can see, it sort of pulls round up here into in the roof to keep the water in. And the shower and sink tap is all in one there. Little basin, and then the floor is obviously plastic there with the shower drain as well. So that's your all shower and washroom in one. I'll just turn us around again and have a look back down the motorhome into this lounge area. So he's showing us 3-berth. I think realistically most people would use that as a 2-berth with fixed bed, but that's a nice layout. Right, let's venture on. So we've done those 2. We've got one more here, the XL. I think there's just 3 on show, but I'll make sure I confirm that as we move around. So let's have a look at this one. So moving on. Now this is the 690L. Now this is a little bit more expensive. This is just under £74,000. And on this one we can see it's got the black cab on the Ford. So black cab. So we've seen a couple of different colour choices. So even if you're looking at any model on the auto trails that are Ford based, it'll give you an idea of what these cabs are going to look like with the motorhome you want to have a look at. So there's just somebody in that one at the moment. So I'll just let them do whatever they're doing and then we'll get back onto that one. Let's have a look. I think let's move around. There is another one, so what I'll do is I'll just come back to that one once that lady's finished what she's doing. So on this one, here we have the 690T. Now this is quite interesting. This one is just under £73,000, and this is on the grey cab. This is a nice colour. This is a bit more of a flat colour as opposed to a metallic colour. So the 690T, and this is priced, as I say, just under 73. This is certainly longer. I'll get the measurements for us. We've got a huge garage in this one, as you can see there, so that'll be fine for putting e-bikes and things like that in. Let's have a look at our facts and figures. So on this one, we've got same weight, same water tanks, but this is 6.9 metres. Again, it says 3 berth and 4 seat belts, so you can transport 4 people. This has got a fixed bed, which we'll see in a minute. We've got the same dinette as we just saw in that last model. We've got the television up here fixed there on a bracket, so that's good. The kitchen on the near side with flap, and then we move down and you can see we've got the twin beds. Now what these can do is, I'm imagining, I'll just have a look, I would like to think that these will slide out possibly to make it into a double bed, but I don't know for certain. But you're certainly going to get the 2 big long singles, and these are good sizes. They're nice and wide. There's some storage cupboards above. We've got the windows. There is a sunroof as well up there. Plenty of storage underneath. Let's just have a look. Oh, I think that might be maybe is that a drawer? Yeah, there we go. Oh, that's a nice feature. So we've got a pull-out drawer there. And there are loads. I'm not going to open them all, but there's loads of cupboards on both sides here. We've got storage space here as well on both sides. So if I just step back, you can see that. And that large bedroom. And then we've got our bathroom. So again, this has got, this is nice. So you can see here how the shower is actually in its position. You can just see that there from the tap actually extended. And we have got our Thetford toilet back there. So I'll just come out of there. So that's the 690L. I'm wondering if L stands for longitudinal beds. Because oh no, sorry, so that's the T, so it's twin beds. So 690T, so T for Auto Trail is obviously twins. Let's venture back and just see whether I can get back into where I was showing you before. So this is the L model, the 690L. So let's just see if this one's now free. So on this model, we've got the same dinette area as we can see here. I'll venture in. And we've got a lounge on this one. So if you like lounge areas, this one could be for you. This feels quite open plan with it having that lounge. We've got the flap, the same kitchen. I'll move back. We've got that Thetford Tower fridge freezer here to my right there. And then this huge lounge. So this is going to convert into either 2 singles, which you could use down there and then obviously down there. Or this is probably going to convert into 1 very large bed. So this is where you're going to be sleeping. There's no drop down bed. It's just this huge lounge area and this massive back window. I mean, obviously all we can do at the moment is see another motorhome, but massive back window, huge side windows. So this is a very light and airy model in the lounge area, and a fixed television. I'll just look down the motorhome so you can see it from this side. There's a couple of little storage points there. We've got that washroom again on the off side. Let's have a quick nosy in. It's going to be the same, but at least, oh, well, at least we've seen it, but it's a bit dark. Yeah, I'm not going to start looking for a light switch. So there we go. Okay. So that is the Excel range. Let me dive out. I'll just check whether I gave you the sizes on this one. So the 690L, let's just move in. So it's 3 berth, 4 seats, and this one is, let's see if I can say it, length 6.9 metres. So there we go, that is the Excel range. I think I just showed you 4 models. I got a bit confused when I had to dive off somewhere else, but I think that's the 4 models. I will put a link in the description below to Auto Trail. So if you want to find out more about the specifications of these compact motorhomes, all under 7 metres long, 2.2 metres wide, and built on the Ford cab, you can find out exactly what the cost of options are and spec yours up. Hopefully you've enjoyed having a look around. I'd say for the price point, these are quite good actually. I would definitely add them to the list to come and have a look, because every motorhome has a different feel from every manufacturer. Right, thank you to Auto Trail who've let me come on their stand and film. It is appreciated. So as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.